We are going to start this project by applying some walnut wood tint to the background surface of the fall design. So grab your walnut wood tint, a foam brush, and start covering the entire surface. It's okay if there is excess. Once you've got the entire surface coated, you'll take a paper towel and wipe away all of the excess. Wood tint is a little bit messy, so I did put on some latex gloves. The wood tint is water-based, so you can eventually wash your hands and get the color off if you don't wear gloves, but I just like to keep it simple and get my hands covered. You also want the sides of that background board to match the top of it, so grab your foam brush and apply wood tint all the way around the perimeter of the wood round, and then again, take a paper towel and wipe off any of that excess wood tint. Then you'll set that aside to dry. Next up, we are going to paint all of those top pieces with sheepskin chalk paint. So grab your chalk paint, a foam brush, and start applying layers of paint to the surfaces. This will take several coats to get a nice even look. And as you're doing it, you don't need to do the banner over the word fall. We are going to cover that in paper. So just get up to where those rounds meet the banner and paint with your chalk paint. Once your paint is all dry, then we are going to work on applying the paper onto the fall banner. So we are going to use glossy accents on our cut out pieces of paper to adhere everything together. So apply a little bit of glossy accents underneath where the paper is going to be, put the paper on top, and then press everything down. Glossy accents does dry clear, but it also dries with a little bit of a shine, so try not to apply too much. We don't want too much oozing out the sides. And once you've got it all secured down, go back and apply a little extra dab underneath the points of the banner, just to really secure everything in place. Next, we're going to prepare our greenery to go on top of the wooden piece of greenery. So grab your green eucalyptus and cut 2 pieces that are about the same size that fit nicely on top of that wooden piece of greenery. Then you'll do the same with the bean sprout pieces. You're going to cut 2 pieces that are going to fit nicely layered with the eucalyptus pieces that'll go right on top of that wooden greenery piece. Next, you're going to start layering the pieces together. So put one of the bean sprouts with the eucalyptus piece and put them together and kind of intertwine the greens. Do it with both sides, and then you'll place it on top of your wooden piece of greenery where you'd like it to be. Next, we're going to take our piece of twine and lay it underneath the piece of wooden greenery. You'll wrap it around to the front, tie a knot to hold everything in place. You might even want to do a double or triple knot, and then you'll keep winding it around to really secure everything in place. Do another double knot at the front, and then you'll tie a bow. Our last main step of the project is to secure everything to the board. So we are going to start with the largest piece first. So we'll take that fall banner piece, flip it over, apply some hot glue onto the back of the banner piece. We're not going to worry about the wood round parts, just focusing on the banner. It'll hold everything in place. So apply some hot glue to it and then stick it down to the board, lining up the ends of the banner so everything is nice and in place. And don't forget to hot glue down the center of the A. Next, we're going to take the word hello, and since it's such a thin word, we are going to use glossy accents to adhere this to the board. So I just did little dabs of glossy accents throughout the word hello, and then I'm going to put it in place. And then our last piece is attaching the wooden greenery, so apply some hot glue to the back of that, flip it over, adhere it to the board, and then you're ready to display your project.